plantation and mining areas typically are vast, extensive, and often scattered. This provides challenges to drone operation, which requires wide coverage yet high mobility drone solutions. Introducing Aviro V3, a Vertex professional-grade long-range mapping and surveillance drone, combining best of multi-rotor and vertical takeoff landing VTOL. With extensive range of fixed-wing drone, V3 is able to cover a vast area yet can be carried around in a backpack bag. As a fully electric VTOL, V3 provides up to 4 hours of flight time carrying various payloads from EO with zoom, LiDAR to thermal video streaming. With strong yet light carbon fiber body, V3 is durable and able to handle complex requirements for large areas with harsh conditions. Aviro V3 enable mobility and quick deployment, enhancing teams' productivity on the field, lower your operational cost, and increase your ROI. Come talk to us today.